Hi guys, welcome back to Rawlinson. We're excited to have you guys back. I'm going to introduce our sixth grade team. Here they are.
Hi, y'all. I am Miss Villaseñor Gonzalez, or just Miss Gonzalez. I am doing sixth grade science, and I am looking forward to learning about the world around us together.
Hey guys, Coach Johnson here. I'll be coaching soccer and golf, as well as teaching sixth grade science and math. Welcome back.
My name is Mrs. Boston. I am teaching sixth grade science and eighth grade science. I can't wait to meet you guys.
Hey everyone, my name is Miss Santo Domingo. I will be teaching sixth grade science and I am super excited to get this year started. I know beginning virtually is not what everybody had expected, but here we are and we're going to make the best of it. I hope you're excited to start your sixth grade year at Rawlinson Middle School and can't wait to see you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Zavala. I will be the sixth grade GT science teacher. I look forward to meeting everybody.
Hi there, I'm Miss Freeman. I will have the pleasure of being with Miss Gonzalez, and you will get 2 for the price of 1. Welcome to our classroom. Thank you.
All right, guys, that was our sixth grade science team. We can't wait to meet you.